Step 2 is simply this. This is called MetaPower Assist. This is huge. MetaPower Assist has a lot of mulberry leaf extract in it. And so what you're going to do with MetaPower Assist is you're going to take it right before your largest meal of the day. Just once a day, 15 to 30 minutes before your largest meal of the day, you're just going to swallow one of these down. Why do we take MetaPower Assist? This one, it helps control your blood sugar spikes. Okay? I love the tests and studies that they've done with this MetaPower Assist. The first week they had 100 people and they tested them all, and they had a way to test what their blood level spikes were as far as sugar goes. And they could see them spike up and down for that first week, and they were just taking a placebo. The second week, everybody got the MetaPower Assist. And again, they were studying to see what their blood sugar did. And they did not have any huge blood sugar spikes or blood sugar down because it was just regulated. Yes, we always have a little bit ebb and flow, and that's okay. But what these big blood sugar spikes and having too much sugar in your bloodstream at the same time does to your body, it's kind of like having a brand new beautiful car, and you take this car out on the street and you're slamming on the gas as fast as you can go, and then you just like to slam on the brakes as hard as you can, and you just do that over and over and over and over. You are gonna ruin that new car. It's gonna break down, it's gonna start having all kinds of problems, and that is the same thing that you are doing to your body. As you take carbs or sugars in your body, you're gonna have these huge blood sugar spikes, right? And falling. So that's what this is all about, is to control the sugar in your blood. It actually slows down the digestion of carbs and sugars by over 40%. Okay, so this is a great one. This is step 2, is MetaPower Assist. Control the sugars in your blood.